Hello everybody, this is Sonya again. Now come on here again because I want to show you what I'm going to do with the washie, with the wallpaper. I've already done some. I've turned these into washi tape, these pieces, and you can, and I've decided that I will cut up along them here because I do want it a bit thinner. This is the width of the tape, and it's so easy to make, and that is the wallpaper. And all you do then is you pull that off the back. I don't have a plan for this though, that's the trouble. Oh, wait a minute. You just take that off the back and you have got a piece of washi tape, which I don't know what I'm going to do with yet. I shouldn't have did that. I always say that, don't I, when I make me good scissors. And it just goes on, and it is awesome, and it has beautiful texture, and whatever you want to do with it, amazing. So I've got these ones that I did because I did and I'm thinking now the wider ones would be better too, and they'll make good pockets. There's another one, and whether I put tape up there a couple of times or whatever. I'm going to do this one here that's got the green this flower on it. So I'm just going to lay the tape down like that and get the glue off my good scissors, hopefully. So I've got this piece. Now it's very wide, and I'm thinking if I did want to do it on the cover, I'd probably do that, you know, like take it back to there. So I'm going to use that bit there for washi tape. Okay? So I'm going to put, actually I might do this the other way around so I can see what I'm doing. I hope you can see what I'm doing. I should have laid that on top of it. But I'm going to just lay this down. I should have laid the washi tape on top of the sticky, but I've done it now, so... Oh dear, no, that's not good. Oh dear. I went crooked, so I said I should have did it the other way, and I should have done it too, because... So now I'll cut that off. And it will be a tiny bit skew if on one side, but because I was rushing this and I shouldn't have been, should I? And therefore then I've got this piece. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, I'm going to just trim this off because I think I'm leaving it like it is. But you know what? This will look really good down the back of a spine too. This will look really good on the bottom, and if it was cut straight it'd be better as well. But that would work really good because it's a really good thick tape, and therefore it's going to look absolutely amazing. I mean, I'll make sure I get the right thing here, pull off the right bit, because there's I've got, you know what I've done? There's a piece of paper that was still stuck on the sticky, and I've put it over the top of that. It's alright, we'll just cut that off after. Come on, there's the thing. Can't find the end here. I just had to have a go at this, you know, because I was just thinking about it when I was doing that, unwrapping that good parcel. Sonia, come on. Because there's a few layers in the wallpaper, but you just peel that off then, and that'll stick anything. That's amazing. That I'm going to have to straighten this. I'll get my guillotine and straighten it. But look at that. That's a bit more washi tape. And there's more because I did these yesterday. Because I still am looking at it. Isn't it nice? I do love it. And I'm sitting here thinking about lace, more lacier ones. So that's what I'm thinking about doing with that. So this was just a quick look at how that would work. Cuts really well. I don't think I've got one of those, I don't think I've got one of my punches out here, so I'm going to show you how it would work with a punch. But I'm thinking it might go okay cuts really good with the scissors, you know, and I don't have one of them punches. Would not be a good idea if I just had something. I could just make a hole or something, just to see how it worked. Wait a minute, I should have one of them little hole doing things here. I brought them out with me yesterday because I need to work out here a bit now that it's got really cold. Okay. I'll put one of them in these things. But you know what, things do tend to disappear on me. Where I put them, they stay there really. I just can't find them. I can't remember where they were, but I'm sure I had one of those little hole punches here somewhere. Oh, hang on, look at this. I'm getting there. Oh, I put them in the different place. Now I've got one of these. Oh, it makes holes. Only a tiny, tiny hole. So I'm going to use, well, I'm going to use the wallpaper that hasn't got sticky on it. Or, well, I'll use one that has got this. What am I talking about? I'm going to use this here and see if I, look at that. It makes a hole through it really good. That's the wallpaper and the, what's the name? It's sitting sideways here. Look at that. Makes holes perfectly. So your punches would go through that too. And that's the wallpaper plus this stuff here as well. And I'm sure, which is a tape. And I can go along here with a couple of little holes just to, I'm sure it's going to work even better because it hasn't got, because I was thinking about putting it through my scan and cut. No, the big shot would be better. I won't get these things stuck in here because I put it in the wrong place. There we go. Oh, can you see what I'm doing? Yeah. Look at that. That punch is good. So you can make holes in it. Use it on it with a tag or anything like that. So that is awesome. So thank you again to Annette for sending these to me. I just do love it. I'm going to bend that over there and just see. I'm sure it'll crease really fine, and then hopefully it might even come undone a bit better. Oh no, well that doesn't matter, because that's going to look absolutely amazing on the front of one of my journals. I can see it all now. I can. I'm sure it'll cut really well with one of those paper trims too, because, you know, that's what they do, cut it, don't they? It's like, it's wallpaper, it's paper, okay? Thank you everybody for watching, and I hope you'll have a go at something like these, because I do think these are absolutely grand. If you can get hold of something like this, you know, or any papers, you can make your own wallpaper, your own washi tapes. So now I never have to buy another washi tape again. Thanks to Amy. She taught us how to do it. Oh, well, lots of ladies have picked it up along the way, so they're all having a go, but I think it's absolutely beautiful. So thank you everybody for watching, and I'll catch up with you later. Bye-bye.